Okay, well, we did the pitch from the... Okay, so we did the pitch from the Volvo. Now we're going to do the pitch from the Jag going into town. Same pitch, different car. I'll see if I can change the whole, like, feel of it to work for the Jag. So I'm just going to switch the camera here. Now we're going to drive into town. We are headed into Andrews now. Andrews, North Carolina. A town of 1,700 people. And today's a big day for Andrews because the biggest business that I'm aware of that since I've been here in 2019 that's opening is opening today at the Blue Stage. Here's the pitch. Walmart, you know what's in it, plus they're marketing everything online. They are listed in the online world in 2023. Your local gift shop, your local sporting goods store that's not Dick's, they are not online, they are not listed. Virtual Storefronts uses keywords and sends a human being who's paid in the United States, a merchant ambassador is paid to create that storefront, and then the business goes online and gets listed. So we're headed into a town full of businesses that are listed online and are turning up hundreds of times a week. So in our pilot, we're getting over 1,000 hits a week on Google. So this town is listed much like Dick's Sporting Goods and McDonald's is listed. Pretty awesome. The problem with that is that it's not in your town. So what we're raising money for at the Wefunder Virtual Storefronts is to bring our technology to Omaha, Nebraska, and Reno, Nevada, and everywhere else in between, and Portland, Maine, and Nashua, New Hampshire, because they don't have this technology in their local businesses, and they're getting slammed by Amazon, they're getting slammed by Walmart. We need to bring our local businesses into the 21st century. That's what we need to get them online. It's a job that the biggest corporations have not been able to do. We have proven that we can do it. We're going directly to you to make you an owner of our business. Instead of going to Silicon Valley, we're going to you, because we know that you can think big about changing what's going on in local businesses, in local towns all over this country. You're the right person to invest because you have the most at stake for getting local businesses business. It's your town, your community, and what we want to do is we want to make our product available to 20 million merchants that don't have it, that can benefit from it, and it costs only $18 a month or $199 per year. So that's Virtual Storefronts. We're raising money to advertise, market, and produce and sell at scale. So when we get the ability to sell at scale in place, then we can sell a lot of these things because they're very, very popular. It's the key to website heaven, is what I like to call it now that I got the keychain from Taylor. Virtual storefronts take 5 minutes to order. They cost $199 a year or $18 a month with a $50 setup. There's nothing for the business owner to do. This is welcome to Andrews, North Carolina. This is our lovely little town. We're going to drive. We're coming up just past the Chamber of Commerce there. That's a Tattered Tartan on the right. Right across there is Andrews Tanning and Cellular. All of these businesses are on Virtual Storefronts. Over on the left is Taylor's store, Rain Boutique. Over on the right is Andrews Tanning, and then you'll see there's people sitting out there. That's Cups and Cones. And Hoppy Trout's right next to that. And I think we just saw Tommy. And then right after that is the Blue Stage, the largest music venue west of Asheville, which is opening tonight at 5 o'clock. And we're going to be live there at 2 o'clock. There you have it, Andrews, North Carolina. So invest in Virtual Storefronts so we can bring the awesomeness that we have here to every town in the United States. Share on social media, send emails, send text messages. Go to wefunder.com/virtualstorefronts.com. or just Google it all and you'll find it. This is Tobin from Virtual Storefronts. Over and out.